Hi, watch this video carefully to discover the main secret of cooking pork. Today, we're making a delicious pork dish with a creamy vegetable sauce that you won't want to miss. Start by heating some oil in a skillet. Grab 1 large or 2 medium-sized onions and chop them finely. Add the chopped onions to the skillet and fry until translucent. While the onions are frying, chop up some mushrooms. Add the mushrooms to the skillet with the onions and cook together. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of paprika into the pan and saute for 10 seconds to release its flavors. Pour in 1 cup of milk and let it stew for 2 minutes to blend the flavors. While the mixture is stewing, chop 3 green onions. If you're enjoying this recipe, please share this video on your social networks. Add the chopped green onions to the skillet. Dice 1 tomato into small squares. Rate this dish on a 10-point scale in the comments below and let us know which country you're watching from. Add the tomato to the skillet and let it stew briefly. Add some veg salt to taste and stir gently. Move the vegetable and milk mixture to a separate bowl. In the same skillet, fry the pork in vegetable oil on both sides until golden brown. Add salt and pepper to the meat. Pour the reserved vegetable mixture with milk back into the skillet with the pork and let it stew for another 5 minutes. Always let the pork rest for a few minutes after cooking. This allows the juices to redistribute, making the meat more tender and flavorful. For an extra burst of flavor, add a dash of soy sauce or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice right before serving. It'll elevate your dish to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and give us a like. Bon appetit!